Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Honda CRF450R open class motocross race bike. This thing is loaded with high-end accessories, including full Olin suspension, front and rear, Olin swing arm, full Yoshi exhaust, brand new plastics, DID wheels, upgraded brakes, upgraded water pump, recluse clutch, hammerhead shifter, hammerhead brake lever, ASV levers. I mean, what can I say? It's loaded. Only $59.99. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.